Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to jump on here and say hi to everyone. I've missed the weekly updates and touching base with everybody, and I wanted to get on here and give everybody an update of what's been going on and some things that you could be looking forward to over the next few weeks and months to come. I've received so many sweet messages from you guys asking about the weekly CC tutor updates for foundations memory work and just how things are going on around here. And so I wanted to take a time and just catch up with everybody and reconnect and let you all know what's been going on. So first of all, thank you all for your sweet messages and staying in touch. I love having our YouTube family and just all the friends and people that we're connected with on this channel, and I'm so glad that you guys are here and that this channel has been any form of support or help that you can go to. So I just want to thank you for being here. But what's been going on around here is many of you know that we have made a major move from the city life to out here in North Idaho on lots of land and starting the high learning curve of starting a homestead. And so that has been a really exciting journey, but as you can imagine, that has come with a lot of change and a lot more hands-on projects and things that have needed and pulled my focus in many different directions. So that's what we've been up to. So maybe I'll throw some clips in here of some of the things that has gone on over the last 6 months. But we are still homeschooling and still very passionate about that and homeschooling with CC and community here. One of the big changes though is that with the move and we're so far out of the city, we jumped in full, both legs, I don't know, jumped all in and ended up starting a whole new community out here. And so that has taken a lot of our energy and focus over the last 6 months. So to answer some of your questions though, if we're going to be doing more of the weekly tutor videos, yes and no. I have already uploaded all 3 cycles onto my channel. And so if you are looking for cycle 3 videos to help with tutor prepping and getting ready for tutoring each week of cycle 3, check out my playlist for CC cycle 3 and you'll find many of my things that I've shared or ideas for tutoring each week there. So make sure to check that out each week. I am excited to share some new videos over the coming months and weeks. One of those being a poetry tea time, which is where you invite your friends and your neighbors all in and you just have a fun time reading books, poetry, things related to what you're homeschooling that week, have some treats and get dressed up. It makes a fun way for adding an element of fun into each week of homeschool. Some of you asked about our camper makeover and how we were renovating that camper, and I promised that I would get you guys a video and a tour of that, so that's one of the things we'll be getting out for you soon here. And then also, if you are interested in more updates on things going on around here and just homeschool, family, homestead life, be sure to check out our HomesteadFashioned YouTube channel for updates on all the things going on here related to family life, homesteading, homeschooling, and just fun encouragement on what's going on in this family's life over here in North Idaho. That we have been updating regularly. My husband's been doing an amazing job putting together and being dedicated to sharing there. So be sure and hop on over and check that out if you haven't yet. I look forward to connecting with you guys more over the coming weeks and seeing you either here or over there at Homestead Fashion. See you soon. Bye.